It's absolutely fantastic to be welcome here today at Cardiff Rugby, the home of Welsh Rugby, for our first ever Forces Employment event. As you can see behind us, we've got a rugby game. We've got a combined team of our Fijian community, who are serving members of the armed forces, meeting up with some of our blue light services, such as South Wales ambulance and fire services, and they're combining to do a charity rugby event today. Using TFW's reach in the supply chain across multiple sectors, we've managed to get 35 different stall holders here today. And those employers are across all different sectors, from construction to charities, to all different parts of society, to try and open up and get service leavers coming here today to be able to meet up, be able to see firsthand and meet with employers to see what opportunities there are out there in society.
Well, TFW knows that Armed Forces veterans and service leavers have values and skills which are highly transferable. I'm really grateful that by putting on this event, they are introducing those service leavers to not just TFW, but the supply chain deliverers that work with TFW to keep transport in Wales working.
But what you do for soldiers, and what you do for the service people, and the job opportunities that you offer these people, you're making a massive difference. And you'll make a massive difference for their lives, but not just that, you make a massive difference for their friends and their families and their aunties and their uncles and their wider family. And that's what counts. So you get one happy person, you've all of a sudden made 50 people happy.
The message to service leavers would be, have confidence in the skills you've attained in working in the armed forces. You have so many skills. It's trying to use people like us in Transport for Wales to help translate those skills to the employer. From an employer's perspective, look at the skill sets around. We've got brilliant advocates in amongst the workforce at the moment who are from the armed forces and what they bring to the employer and society.
Hallelujah.